Go to Window, Contextual Taskbar. This option only showing Photoshop Beta. Click to Generate Image. Generate Image, then write the prompt. Just click to Generate button. Here and Automatic Generate Image. Select the 3 variations. Select the second one and I think select the first one. Go to open the Chrome browser. This website finding the description and write the prompt Generate Logo. Select the aspect ratio. Click to Generate button here. Click to view logo and select the 3 dots and download button here. Go to File, Place Embedded. Select the logo image. Just click to place. Hold the Alt key. Center the logo. Change the blend mode. Multiply. Double-click to change the layer name. Double-click to blending option. Adjustment underlying. Hold the Alt key. Create a duplicate. Layer press Ctrl+J. Again change the blending mode. Multiply. Double-click to blending option. Adjustment underlying. Hold the Alt key. I show you before and after result. Select the zoom tool. Press C button. Right-click Fit on screen. Subject zoom in checkout. Blend logo looks like a realistic